willing to take a leap of faith, all in the name of love. A wandering salamander. It uses the moist fog to help absorb oxygen directly through the skin. No lungs required. A female could be 200 feet above him in any one of these colossal trees. He'll need to. It's the human equivalent of 5 Empire State Buildings. And the redwood's fibrous bark makes it dangerous. Made it. These high-rise homes have everything a salamander needs. Not only do they absorb and retain the forest's moisture, they have food, his perfect match. Another male got there first. Nothing for it but to keep searching. Another fern mat and another couple. This is not going to plan. Not again. Strike 3. This search for love has reached the end of the road. And spreading his arms and legs, he can steer through the air, safely gliding 200 feet down. He may be back where he started, but base jumping is the fastest way to get around.